All right, so the question is, how do I create an online portfolio? So it's gonna be 2 steps. Number one, we go to My Drive. If you don't know how to do that, Google and Drive. All right, so it's got all stuff I've been working on recently here, and I have all my folders organized. Most people don't, so I'm gonna make a sample folder, and I would have done this at the very beginning. I'm gonna put it in caps. All right, and then in that folder, we have 4 units, so I would have created 4 more folders. Unit 1, I don't remember the name of Unit 1, and Unit 2, 3, 4, but I'm not going to get into that now. Then whenever I create anything, it goes in here. Now, if you haven't been doing that, just pushed everything in here. And the reason I'm going to do that, we're going to just a couple of quick ones. A Google Doc, we'll call 1.1.1 stuff. And we're done with that. And then that hasn't shown up yet. Cancel. New sheet. All right. Taking its time. 1.1.2 info. And I'll put some data in here, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Hey, we were doing something, I don't know. Get rid of that. Okay, here it is, starts to populate. I'm gonna put something in stuff here. I'm gonna snip, hey, we were doing a Zoom call. So here's my Zoom call. Yeah, I don't know. I'm making up stuff here. And I don't think it showed that to you, so I'll show you what that means here. Let's forget, Zoom doesn't show the windows. So I'm trying to, it doesn't want to work. Oh, there it is, worked. Just so when I pop it up. And then, hey, we also made a slides. We'll call it 1.1.3 example slide. All right, and it should populate in there. There it is. Shouldn't be untitled. Let's see if I can get it to rename. Reloading. There we go. So again, now I've got that set up. Oh, nearly forgot. So I need to fix this so that anybody can see it who has the link. So I'm going to hit share. And now I can change this to Carmel. And actually, I'm going to click. Nope. I'm going to click change link to carmelhs.org, but that's actually not what I want. I want anyone with the link. And I want to make sure it says viewer, not editor. And done. Anyone with the link can see this. All right. So when I link these into my document, everybody should be able to see them. Far and away the number one problem I have. People just send me stuff and I can't see it all the time. We go to Google again, we press the 9 dots, and we go to sites right here. You can go to new or classic sites. It's down here, classic sites. I'm fine with new. All right, so this is intro to engineering. Actually, I would just go with engineering. We'll call it intro to engineering. Because if you're going to go on, you're going to want to use the same site. Engineering, and then page. That's the home. I'm going to add, no, I don't want to add a sub page. I want to insert a page. Usually there's a plus button around here somewhere. That was not fair. So plus, so this is my intro to engineering. Done. And then I go here. I'm in intro to engineering. Home is just, I go to home, I'm just in engineering. Notice I can fix all these and should. Right, it's a lot better. To engineering. Give me a hard time, but this is for you to practice. There we go. And in here, I'm going to add a subpage. All right, and that's as far down as we're going to go. So this is unit 1. I'm going to add all my subpages. Unit 2, unit 3, unit 4, so on and so on. These dots here are what it's all about. Now we go to unit 1. All right, and this is where I just start putting things in. So insert, and I keep it simple. I'm just going to grab the first one. All right, I'm going to say this is 1.1. Click. 1 point. Notice it's always a bit buggy. Bean bag toss. And then I go in and just click on this, and I'm getting it from Drive. Now the good news for me is if I just worked with it recently, it should show up, but it doesn't. So I know it's all in here. Right, and there it is, my 1.1 stuff. Yeah, I got to keep my place organized, and there it is. All right, shows. All right, down here, insert. Let's put another layout in. I wonder if I can do one that's different. No, just do this. Now we just go. Just keep it simple. I do know a lot of people who do this. They just put side to side. I don't know why. Whatever. This one really gave me a hard time. 1.1.2. Title was drawings. I have no idea. You know, I can make this smaller. I can edit things. I can change the heading. I can align it. I can center it. You know, whatever you want to do. Pick from Drive again. Notice how important it is to be organized. Puts it in. I didn't even have to hit the insert button. All right, you're upsetting me. All right, so there we go. We've got this and this. No idea what this is. I'm going to get rid of it. So I'm clicking the delete button. Wonder if it's going to remove it all. Nope, just remove that. So on and so on and so on. Okay, now the hard part. So I'm putting everything in there. 112, 113. Oh, here it is, the extra text too. Yeah, delete that. Cool. I can click on this, see how it looks. Preview. Okay, nice. But I can't tell if the person can see it because even though I see it, you may not be able to see it. How to preview. Got to publish. Publish web address. Mr. T intro to engineering. Not intro. Engineering website. Publish. Boy, does this cause problems for people. Link. Copy. Go to your email. Now, this is what I would do. Compose. I just think this is insane not to do this. I am sending it to my other account, which is not going to let me see it if I didn't set up the link right. So this is a test. Control V, I just pasted the link, right? And it goes to unit 1, which is wrong. I should really erase that, but that's okay. Send. All right, so I do all that in Safari in my Chrome browser. Has my personal email. Hasn't shown up yet. There it is. Let's see what I sent myself. Who knows? I might have screwed up. Boy, I get a lot of this. A lot of this. Looks like I blew it. So let's see if I can figure out what I did wrong. By the way, I don't think you can see any of that because I went to a different browser. So let's go home. Let's see what's going on. Publish settings. So I had to hit the share button, I guess. draft, published site, public. Alrighty, done. Unfortunately, I just deleted. Let's see if I can share with here. See if I can see it now. Go down to trash, pull it out. There it is. How to fix the share sites. And I can see everything. And I can negotiate around. Intro, unit 2, there's nothing in there yet. Unit 1. And this is the way to do it. It's so simple for the teacher to grade it. And just, oh, there it is. Wait, I want to look at this file. Clicks on it, looks at it. Notice I can't edit it. It's loading. I'm clicking there. Won't let me delete. I don't have that. I have view only. I can request add it, but I'm never going to do that. So, all right, that is it. Hope this helps. Learn to play around, learn to Google for mistakes like the mistake I made.